a rare view inside of a Avarian computer. Because we got to install something, which is that. Hopefully I will be able to maybe put it here where the floppy is supposed to go. Of course I don't have a floppy drive. Or maybe I could find a couple screws at least to get it into here in the middle position. As you can see, I already have a couple hard drives. That's 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue and 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda something. And that's my 960 GeForce, 4 gigabytes, and 4-core CPU from Intel Core i5, 3470 or 50, basically 4-core and 3.2 gigahertz, and 8 gigabytes of memory, DDR3 somewhere here. Yeah. 2 things by 4 gigabytes each. So this stuff installed, a new hard drive with this one, and yeah, I only have a couple of SATA 3 ports on my motherboard, so yeah, one of hard drives switched to SATA 2 port, I think this one actually, and we'll see how it will work, because some SATA 3 hard drives, and all of these ones are SATA 3, can only run properly in SATA 3 native mode, or at least I had trouble before starting computer when a SATA 3 hard drive connected to SATA 2 port. So yeah, we will see about that. So it looks like all of my hard drives are up and running, as you can see. That's primary one, Seagate, and then we have Western Digital, and then Toshiba. That's 6 terabytes total. Of course that's rough size, because they're never counting them like proper terabytes, like 1024 gigabytes per terabyte. No, so actually you'll get less, and yeah, but that's still kinda out of space, so hopefully it will last me for a long time, and let's see how Windows will react to that. Now everything is formatted, as you can see. I have reallocated a few letters, because I didn't want to have my drive at the end of the alphabet. But yeah, everything should be alright, and as you can see over here, actually, all drives are kinda stuffed. Some of them have more than one partition, like Seagate has C and D. But there is this one, P300, which is Toshiba, and it's absolutely pristine. 0 files, except maybe system volume information, right? So now I can use it for my YouTube archives and maybe something else. That was LastofAvari with my little service quality of life upgrade. Tell me, what do you think? Nominally 6 terabytes, actually slightly less, because, you know, they don't use real terabytes these days, but still kinda nice.